Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to contact Amazon customer service. Open the Amazon app. Now tap on the three lines at the bottom right. Now go to customer service. Now once you're in the customer service section, you can choose from here the type of issue you are facing. Now go to browse all help topics. And from here, select the issue that you're facing. I'm selecting shipping and delivery. Now go to contact us. Now tap on return to chat. From here, you can start your new chat or resume the previous one. And there you go. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.